What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today we're actually going over a dash cam review. Peztio sent me out another unit. This is actually the third one they've sent me. I have this old one that I was using, the first one that I love. Then the second one they sent me is in my wife's car, and she's loving that, so that's great. But this third one, there. You'll see it in another clip here in a moment. That one was looking good so far. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. So this is the old dash cam that's getting replaced. I still need to pull out the backup, the rear one. That one is using the same cable. So here's a new one. There we go, it focused. So I have mine placed a little weird because I have this in a way, so if it's over more you can't really see as well through the front, and if I have it down where the other one was, then you can't see inside through to this. So this is kind of where I place mine. I think this one will be a pretty good setup for somebody who's doing like ride share. That way you can get everybody who's inside, and the quality looks pretty good, at least from what I can see for right now. But I'll go ahead and when I go for my drive, I'll bring in some footage so you can see it. But yeah, definitely a shout out to Peztio for sending out the unit for review. Just from the viewfinder, it looks great. And as you can see, the old one versus the new one. This one, suction mount. This one is using the 3M mount up there. You can take it off because there's a little stand that it connects to, but it does come with a few extra pads as well, but it's 3M tape, so yeah, you can get that anywhere. But yeah, let's go ahead and do the quick test to see how it sounds. Probably not Alright, so while pulling the files from the actual card itself, I did see that they're organized in 2 separate folders. So you got one for the primary camera facing the front, and then you have one for the one that's facing the driver. It doesn't put it together on one video file, as you can imagine, but it's laid out pretty smoothly, so they have the same name in 2 separate folders, so you can easily find which one you want. Now, as far as the way I have it laid out, I only did the one clip from facing me, and then the rest were the drive-in itself, just to kind of get an idea. I also included one where I was playing my music, just so you can kind of see how that is with the music playing. I don't think I'm gonna get copywritten for it due to all of that the bass on it, so it should be safe. If not, then I'll probably re-edit it and just cut that one out. But yeah, that's just a quick little test on it. I'm still gonna do another video on it, just kind of like after having it for a little while, see how it is still performing, and also do some low light shots, some dark shots and things of that nature. Just try it out. I didn't really have time to do all of that yet, and I did want to get a video out here for them, so definitely let me know what you guys think. If you're interested in one, link will be in the description below, as well as the little discount code and everything. I actually like this one a lot. It's definitely a go. I actually like it more than the last one, just the design and layout and everything. But the last one I had was pretty good too, so I'm definitely a big fan of their cameras. But yeah, if you guys are interested, like I said, links in the description below. Don't forget, check out the merch store, a link in the description as well. And I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.